Hello and welcome to my cooking channel Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. We will make chicken tikka in a pan today. We don't need tandoor for this. Let us see how to make it. We will take half kilo chicken boneless. I use leg pieces since they cook very fast. Take hung curd 2 tablespoons for the marinade. To this add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon tandoori masala, any brand will do, quarter teaspoon biryani masala or any garam masala, quarter teaspoon black salt, kala namak, and 1 teaspoon dry fenugreek, that is the kasuri methi. Just crush and add to this. 1 teaspoon mustard oil. This is main ingredient in this marinade. 2 teaspoon chili powder as per your liking. If your chili powder is very spicy, use less. Few drops of lime juice and salt to taste. Mix all this well and apply to chicken pieces. Rub it in properly so that all the spices get incorporated in the chicken pieces. Now chop onion and capsicum into cubes. Separate the onion petals and add to the bowl. Don't mix it in the marinade because it will leave water. Now keep this aside for 2 hours. After 2 hours, heat a kadai, add butter and stir fry the onion and capsicum. We will keep this aside. Stir fry it on high flame so that it doesn't leave water. Now heat 1 more tablespoon butter and add the chicken pieces. Now this chicken has its inherent oil and also the mustard oil. So 1 tablespoon butter should be enough. Now cover and cook. Check after 5 minutes and stir fry till all the water evaporates and the tikka is dry. This takes a while and the chicken will get cooked in the whole process. You can see this much dry is enough to serve as starter. You will not get it as dry as in the tandoor. Now we will burn one charcoal piece and transfer it to kadai in a steel katori and pour oil or ghee on charcoal and trap the smoke so as to give it the tandoor effect. Leave it for 10-15 minutes and then serve. Serve this chicken tikka with your favorite drink or a soup along with the onion and capsicum pieces. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share my recipes with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.